Maya sent me these sunglasses for my review, and I'm excited to open them up and check them out for the first time. Ooh, there's even a, oh, I love when they come with the bag. I love that it's branded. And of course, oh, it looks like they're, the cloth, the microfiber cloth, is also branded, which is so fancy. You know what? Honestly, when you get a pair of sunglasses that comes with both of these, I feel like you cannot go wrong. Let's go ahead and check these out. Oh, so you've got that nice like tortoise shell going on there. Of course, there are so many different colors and styles to choose from. If this is not your vibe, definitely check out all the different options that they have. Let's try them on. You know, if I'm being honest, I feel like I'm the kind of person that just has that sunglass face. A lot of different sunglasses just look pretty good on me. So I'm hoping these ones do as well. They feel really great. They're really light. It honestly feels like I'm not even wearing like any frames are on my face because they're so light, which is definitely something that I love, but they fit perfectly. Definitely those lens. I mean, there's so many lights coming at me right now, and I feel like I need to do all of my videos wearing these because that light is bright, but this is definitely helping.